Try ko tong bagong account ko sa COD dahil bumili ako ng iPhone 13. Hindi ko malagin yung ano ko. Hindi ko malagin yung dati kong account. Try ko gumawa ng bago ito. Level 9. Try ko lang hardpoint. Isang hardpoint lang. Kasi mabagal kasi ulit eh. Kaya try na natin. Bagal oh. Tayo dyan. Ayaw pa mag-rank eh. Hindi magpa-level 10 muna. Kita sa amin, hindi kita. Ito na lang. Nahirapan din ako dito.
Get down, sniper! Sniper eliminated.
Namit di kasi cellphone, malaki kasi pinang lalo.
Enemy in sight!
Ayan. Logo.
Targets in sight. Tango down.
Patay na pala.
Killer drone on standby. Enemy in sight. Predator missile on standby. We've taken the lead. Grenade out. Contact with enemy. Enemy down. Get down, sniper! Enemy contact! Sniper. Get down, sniper! Tango taking the lead. Sniper down! Sniper. Tango down! Wave online.
Ay, lahat.
Get down, sniper!
RB tayo, tayo mama. BR. Kasi hindi ko pa nakaalis yung control sa BR.
Enemy down! Enemy contact! Sniper! Changing mag, cover me! Get down, sniper! Taking the lead. Sniper!
Hindi ko alam kung mamatay na kung ano. Anong bubuo?
Targets in sight! Throwing smoke grenade! Down!
Pagabong.
Contact with enemy! down.
Itong hit mark. Malapit. Ipangit ko sa tatmits.
Changing mag. Cover me.
Kulang pa isa. Hindi ko pindot na yun.
Targets in sight. Taking the lead.
Hard point. Hard point to.
Enemy down. Enemy contact. Enemy in sight. Tango down. We're almost there. Keep it up.
Tayo mo ko. Talen.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Target down. Target down.
Wala nang bala.
Enemy down.
Ano kaya MVP natin? Siyempre ako.
Contact with enemy. Contact with enemy.
So yun lang. Update ko na lang kayo. Pag napataas ko tong COD ko na to. O kaya nakuha ko yung dati kong COD account. Yun lang. Peace out.